This is the V-Series high-speed dissolver from MorehouseCowles. It gives you the versatility you need for all your dispersion, deagglomeration, and dissolving applications. Its high-quality construction means this dissolver will provide reliable service for years to come. But just as important are the safety features we build into every unit. They include an impeller blade guard, shaft guard, tank limit switch, height limit switch, and a drive guard. They are designed to protect you and your colleagues from injury without sacrificing performance. Let's take a closer look. This is the impeller on a V-Series high-speed dissolver. It looks sharp because it is. You could be accidentally injured if you bump into the blade or scrape your arm against it while you are cleaning or maintaining the dissolver. That's why we include an impeller guard with every unit. Be sure to keep this guard and install it whenever your dissolver is not in use. But don't try to run the machine with the guard attached. The high shaft rotation speed could send the guard flying. Here's how to install it. Be sure all power to the unit is off before you begin, and make sure to follow lockout procedures. Hook the end of the guard onto one of the impeller teeth. Make sure you start with the guard in the proper direction to match the blade's teeth, then secure the latch and clip. Take the guard lock and place the end hook under the blade guard. Slide the guard lock into the closed position. You can insert a padlock so the guard cannot be removed. That's all there is to it. The impeller blade guard is easy to use and can help protect you and your colleagues from injury. This is just one of the safety features included with every V-Series dissolver from MorehouseCowles. All are designed to help keep you safe.